Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. If you are new here, acquire to this channel. My name is Adwoa, and on this channel I teach you guys basic vocabulary or basic tree vocabulary, and I also give you some basic tree lessons. So yes, if you're interested, just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share everything. And in today's video I am just going to be treating or just going to be giving you the difference between here and there, or I am just going to be talking about here and there. Okay, so how do you say here and how do you say there in tree? I will be doing a lot of these types of videos where I kind of give you more information about all these like for example here and there, this and that, take and bring, like all these kind of differences. I'll be doing videos just to kind of highlight on these things, but in today's video we're going to be treating here and there. How do you say here and there in tree? Now to say here in tree, okay, here in tree you would say eha or aha, eha or aha. Always, like I say, different places and different ways of saying it. I am used to saying eha, okay? Other people say aha, okay? But depending on what type of tree you're speaking, you would hear people say eha, you would hear people say aha, okay? Same thing. If you want to say there, okay, there is oho or eho, okay? Oho or eho. Oho, eho. Here is aha or eha. Aha or eha. Oho or eho. Oho or eho. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let's just give you some few examples. Okay guys, so let's just go ahead and give you some few examples. For example, if you want to say come here, okay, come here, okay, you would say braha, 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 come here, okay. Note that I'm not saying bra-aha or bra-eha, okay. I'm not saying bra-eha or aha, okay. That is because the verb which is bra ends in a vowel, and so it ends in an a, so a vowel a, and then the starting alphabet of here is also a vowel, so it's either another a or an e. What you can do is you can just cut off that e or ha and then leave ha. Okay, that sounds confusing. You can just take away the first letter of the word that is following the verb, so that you have just braha, okay, braha, okay, braha. It's kind of like a liaison. If you have done French, you know the liaisons. Yeah, it's just like in many other languages where two vowels just don't meet, and so you just kind of have like the linking, yeah, it just links, okay. Go there is ko ho, ko ho. Note that also here the verb ko, which is to go, ends with a vowel, and so there's no point to also add the other vowel of the word that is coming afterwards. It will just be ko oho, which is just, it doesn't make sense. Let's just give a longer example. So for example, somebody might ask you where are, or where is this and this and that. You would say it is here, right? Where is this? It is here, or it is there, okay? So for example, if somebody asks you like where are my shoes, for example, where are my shoes? So mempabwa no wahe, mempabwa no wahe, mempabwa no wahe. Mpaboa a shoe, okay. Mpaboa is shoe or shoes. Mempaboa no wahe, okay. Where are my shoes? Mempaboa no wahe. Ewo ha, ewo ho, ewo ha, ewo ho. Okay, it is here, it is there, okay. Okay, another example would be here is my house, okay. Here is my house, or here is my father's house. Let's just say here's my father's house. So here's my father's house. You would say aha, yeah, me papa fie. Aha, yeah, me papa fie. Or eha, yeah, me papa fie. So here is my father's house. Eha, yeah, me papa fie. Or aha, yeah, me papa fie. Like I said, I am used to saying, oh, I'm actually used to saying both. I was about to say I'm used to saying eha, but I'm also used to saying aha. I say both, guys. I say both. You're never wrong, whichever one you use, okay? So, aha, yeah, me papa fie. Eha, yeah, me papa fie. Okay, this is my father's house. If you want to say something like, we will be there, okay? We will be there. We will be there. Then you would say, yebeba ho. Yebeba ho. Yebeba ho. We will be there. There ho. Okay? Yebeba ho. Yebeba ho. Okay? I hope this was not confusing. So basically, I just wanted you guys to understand that there are differences between here and there, how you see them in tree. You have a ha and aha, which is here, and you have oho and oho, which is there. Okay? So yeah, I am going there. Me koho. I am going there. Me koho. Okay? Me koho. I am going here, or I am coming here. Me baha. Me baha. Me baha. I am coming here. Me baha. I am going there. Me koho. Me koho. Okay, I hope this was helpful to you guys. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, everything, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.